Oregano is a herb that belongs to the mint family and is commonly used in Mediterranean and Mexican cuisines. It is known for its strong and aromatic flavor and is often used as a seasoning for pizzas, sauces, and pasta dishes. In addition to its culinary uses, oregano also has several potential health benefits. Here are some of them. Anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Antibacterial properties. Oregano contains compounds that have antibacterial properties and can help fight off harmful bacteria in the body. Antioxidant properties. Oregano contains compounds that act as antioxidants, which can help prevent cell damage and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Digestive aid. Oregano can help promote digestion and relieve digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Respiratory aid. Oregano can help improve respiratory health by opening up the airways and relieving congestion. Immune booster. Oregano contains compounds that can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infections. It is important to note that while oregano has several potential health benefits, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on human health. Additionally, oregano should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment and should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. If my channel is helpful, please share, and consider subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.